Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Happy gardening to everyone. Shout out to all the people out there. Shout out to all the hard working people. Shout out to everybody out there, man. Enough respect to each and everyone. So guys, today we in our food forest. This is not a garden. This is a food forest where we grow lots of different food. Up in here, guys, our okra is growing at another level, guys, and they're producing a lot of okra. I try to pick them young, because if you don't pick them young, you're not gonna able to get them. They're gonna turn seed. So I try to get them early, and I also eat them raw. I cook some of them and I eat some of them raw. But guys, just like that, I've harvested a few okra. Now guys, our bell pepper is really striving well. They have on lots of pepper. They had on lots of flowers. Over here, this one is loaded with pepper. I see one have on a nice little pepper. This one is loaded with flowers. Come over here. This one even to the top is loaded with flowers. All of them loaded with flowers, guys. And this is a Tabasco is loaded with pepper. All of them loaded with pepper. My okra them is doing amazing, guys. Amazing. Oh, look, one of them here have had a nice bell pepper right here coming in nice. So over down this side, guys, we have edos, and these edos doing wonderful. As you can see, their growth is beautiful. You ain't even got to weed them up right now, because we already weed them up and mold them up. And the weather, the rain is coming, so the earth is soft. So you ain't got to really do anything to them right now, and just leave them until harvest time. So over the side here, guys, we have, oh wow, our eggplant getting pretty heavy. So we need to stake up this eggplant. This is the next eggplant right here. These are eggplant growing up right here, guys. Growing up lovely. This one is another one. I got to stake them up, because if you notice, we're seeing a lot of flowers on this one, and if we ain't stake them up, they're gonna pop and break, and we don't want that. This is a bell pepper tree. This is gonna be a real massive bell pepper tree. It's over 3 feet now, and it's behind time, but we know it's gonna be a massive bell pepper tree. This is another eggplant, and they're all doing wonderful, guys. Over here is another one. 2 is right here with each other, but they need staking out. Down this side again, guys, is another patch of edos that's just growing. These edos just grow wild without any care. All these is our fruit trees. We already harvest fruits this year. Let me go down here and show you some pumpkin that I have down here. So these are our pumpkin, and our pumpkin is running right now. The deer bite off their top, and what happened? They just start spreading. So that's cool. These are our shishu plant growing up right here. We have a kiwi plant, guys. We have a kiwi plant that's doing so great. Look at it right here. This was the growth of this kiwi plant, but this year with the super juice I give it, the organic, look how it sprout out over here, man. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create something for it that it can just run. All right. This, I believe this gonna produce next year. I truly believe that this kiwi plants will produce next year. But if you notice, you're going to see how it push out that long string because it's getting ready to run. This, oh wow, look at this one, guys. This is our fig. It's soft, so that means it's ripe. So we're going to pick it. We're not going to leave it for next day. The rest of them is turning. So we ain't leaving them for next day, guys. So let's go up here. We got to get 2 stakes for these eggplant because I don't want they pop. And if they're getting pretty tall, so we don't want them to pop. We have our turmeric growing up here, our ginger growing up in this area, our okra. This is another okra here. This is a different breed of okra than the one I showed you just now. Our cucumber is doing wonderful because we harvest like 15 cucumber from this patch already. And we notice it's still producing, which is awesome. Look, it have one here, one there, one down there. So we have 4. That's we're going to be harvesting in a minute. So this is our shisho. These, you know, guys, you know about the shisho by now. They're everywhere. This ginger is growing wonderful, guys. Look at these ginger. Growing wonderful. Look at these ginger. This thing is about heading for like 4 feet now. Our sweet potato over here start catching back themselves because the deer did eat them down. Look here, guys. Ginger is growing really well. Look down inside here, guys. By now, these ginger should be pushing out, doing really well. If you notice, they're pushing up new growth. So the more they spread, the more new growth you see, is the more ginger they're producing. This year was one, I'm telling you, if you notice, you're going to see how the garden bushy, guys. Real bushy. But the growth of everything is on another level. Over here, this is sweet potato growing over here as well. We have a patch of tomato coming up right down there. So this is our garden, guys. Our banana trees is doing well. This is our food forest. Lots of food. And I know I did not mention a lot of food for you. We have squash over there. I know I did not mention a lot. Up over here we have black eyed peas. This is our black eyed peas coming up inside over there. Over here we have edos again growing, coming up here, guys. And right behind our fence here, look at what's going on. Edos. This mosquito ain't no joke, boy. We have edos growing over there. We have edos growing all the way up there, guys. So yes, guys, this is not a garden, it's a food forest. We have burdock coming up here. Well, our burdock, like, it's getting ready to push flowers so we can get more seed. So that's wonderful, guys. Yes, guys, so this is it, guys. This is it. Look here, look how these edos grow up so massive, guys. Look how massive these edos grow up. Beautiful. So you're gonna have a harvest pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Please like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Peace.